Alright guys, so right in this video I'm gonna take you through the process here on how to sell your major tokens. So guys, if you are watching this video, I will urge you to watch this video carefully to the very end, as I'm gonna take you through the steps before you can sell or buy any tokens here on Bybit. You have to pay attention to this. So if I go over to my assets right here, you can see here they have funding and unified. So to sell your major tokens here on Bybit, your major must be on unified trading. Okay, so if yours is funding, guys, all you need to do is to use the transfer menu right here. So you can see here you are to transfer from funding to unified. So if you actually want to do that, guys, make sure you select major right here. So I will search for major, and that is it. So here I will transfer everything. Let's say I want to transfer everything, so I will click on max, and boom, I am good to go, guys. The next thing to do here is to click on confirm, and your funds or your major will move from funding to unified trading accounts. So now your major tokens is here on unified, guys. You can go ahead and sell your tokens here. Don't forget, selling here simply means converting your major tokens here to a stable coins, which is USDT. So that is the selling right here. And if yours is already on unified, guys, you just need to leave it that way. Make sure you don't touch anything here. Okay, so the next thing we need to do here is to come over to trade right here. And guys, pay attention to this. As of the time of recording this video, you can see if I click on sports here, we have 31 minutes to go, okay, before this will be listed here on sports. So for that, I'm gonna be using the features right here, which is the pre-market price here, to show or illustrate this to your understanding. So this is the same, there is no different. This is exactly what you are gonna do here on sports. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to this. So to sell your major tokens right here, you can see here they have markets. So make sure here is on markets. Why we are selecting market is for you to sell your major tokens with the current price. Okay, so if yours is on limit already, because if you are on sports, it should be on limit. So make sure you select market right here, and that is the first thing you need to do here. And the second thing you need to do right here, guys, is selecting the quantity of major which you want to sell right here on Bybit. So it's left for you. Either you want to say, let's say 25%, 45%. So you can see I am just dragging this into a point where I want. Okay, this is 75%, and if I want to say everything here, I will just drag it to the very end. That is to say everything here. And you can also use here to input the quantity which you want to say right here. Let's say for example 100. Okay, and that is the second step here. And guys, the next thing here is selling. Okay, so you can see right here we have buy and sell. Let me show you this. If I am on sports, let me select another token which is already listed. So I will use BTC as an example. I am on trade right here, so you can see the difference here. This is what you will see on major. So here is buy and this is sell. So make sure you are on the sell. Don't forget, it's just the same thing. The difference is where the buy button and the sell button is being placed. Take note of that. So make sure you are on sell, which is the red button. Don't forget, I am using the future right here because major is not yet listed as of the time of recording this video. So guys, after inputting everything right here, the quantity which you want to say right here, and select market, the next thing you need to do is to click on sell, and you are good to go. Once you click on sell, guys, the next thing you will see is confirming your transaction. So you click on confirm, and boom, you have automatically converted your major tokens to USDT, which is a stable coins right here. And I know right now, guys, I know a lot of you are already planning to sell off your major tokens, but let me advise you this before I leave. Instead of selling all your major tokens right here, why not say at least 50%, then reserve 50% for yourself, because this is something that is actually gonna pump in the future. Okay, make sure you take this advice, otherwise you will regret later. Don't sell off your major tokens, don't sell everything. For the sake of the fact you will need funds, you can just sell part of it and leave some. So guys, that is the steps here on how to sell your major tokens. Don't forget, selling here doesn't mean you are selling this to have the cash straight to your major, straight to your local currency. Okay, we are only converting this to USDT, and the next step here is selling this to your local currency. So I have already made a video on how to do that, so I'm gonna leave the link right in the description of this video. So make sure you watch the video, and that video is actually gonna take you through the steps. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video to this very moment, and please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update like this, you will be notified. And see you in my next video, guys.